Virgo, how are you doing? This is Falguni and I'm here to do your 2025 predictions, and this will include both your career as well as love situation. I will be dividing the last section into two parts. That is, one will be for the person on your mind and the other one will be to see the energies of any new person if they come towards you. And this will be a general reading. It will not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Please remember to check your placements before watching the reading. This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. And if your message does not lie in this reading, it might be in some other placement of yours. So please watch accordingly. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you may reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. So let's begin, Virgo, and see what is coming towards you in your career for 2025. What is coming towards you in your career for 2025? Career for 2025. Let's see what is coming towards you in your career for 2025. All right. Let's find out. Come on. For Virgo, you have the Nine of Cups, the Six of Wands and Justice. Okay, Nine of Cups, Six of Wands and Justice. So very beautiful cards, I would say. Nine of Cups says you're very content in the first part of the year with your career growth and everything. In the second part, you are again very victorious, emerging victorious in something heavy, successful energy I am getting. And in the third part, you are getting the fair share of your outcome. Whatever you've been investing in till now will be coming back to you. That is, you will get your deeds paid. That is there. Very nice, very good energy. You've been waiting for the pentacles to arrive, and it is 2025 is the year for you. Okay, so let's see Nine of Cups. What is the Nine of Cups here about? Let's clarify it. What is the Nine of Cups here about? Let's clarify it again. What is the Nine of Cups here about? Let's clarify it once and see what is it about. So Nine of Cups is, okay, so basically you have had certain losses and related to something you were heavily invested and committed to. You were working on something, very committed towards it, but you faced some losses. Okay, and now you want to have some good returns out of it. This is the time you will be getting the returns. Don't worry, you will be getting it because you have the Nine of Cups. This will give you contentment, at least some sort of satisfaction. Not it won't be very huge, but this will give you some satisfaction. At least your work got paid off, that kind of energy. Okay, and you have the Six of Wands. Let's clarify the Six of Wands. Why is the Six of Wands here? Why is the Six of Wands here? Why is the Six of Wands here? Let's see. Why is the Six of Wands here? Why is the Six of Wands here? Why is the Six of Wands here? Page of Cups and the Eight of Swords. So you are basically working on something from scratch, a new opportunity, but it was keeping you stuck initially, and not many people were aware about this. It was keeping you very stuck, and now it is coming to the front. People are recognizing it. People are recognizing you for the efforts now. People are going to reward you, recognize you. The name, the fame is going to come towards you. You will be victorious. You will get a lot of success, that I can see. So you will be coming out of that stuck energy. You will be coming out of that feeling stuck and bound to something, not knowing what is happening around you. You will know now. Okay, let's see what is the Justice card here about. What is the Justice card here about? What is the Justice card here about? What is the Justice card here about? Let's see. What is the Justice card here about? What is the Justice card here about? Okay, so the Justice card is related to Moon and Six of Swords. So basically you will be having good karma coming back to you, and this will be related to something that is hidden. The hidden emotions, whatever was involved here, where you invested your emotions, your energy. You got also some lies and deceits. People also backstabbed you. People also betrayed you in some way or some form. You will be coming out of that energy. You will be moving to calmer waters and a more peaceful connection of some sort. Peaceful connection in terms of work, in terms of work collaborations or work partnerships, and this will be rewarded by better connections, better partnerships, better collaborations, and a good return from that, because you have the card of justice. It will be fair. No manipulation, nothing, very fair. Okay. Let's see what is coming towards you in your love life, Virgo. What is coming towards you in your love life for the person on your mind? What will be their feelings like in 2025? What will be their feelings like in 2025? Okay. What will be their feelings like in 2025? You have the Nine of Wands, the Six of Pentacles, and the Eight of Cups. So this person is kind of very hurt. In the first part, they're very hurt. They don't know how to approach things and everything. They've got some sort of clarity, and because of that, they're feeling hurt. In the second part, they are trying to balance their energies here and there, but they feel that it is very one-sided. In the third part, they're walking away from this. Okay, so this is what they've got some clarity, and because of that, this is the kind of energy I can see. Let's clarify the Nine of Wands here. What do they want from you? Let's see. This is how they feel. Let's see what do they want from you now. Let's see. Why is the Nine of Wands here? What do they want from you? Let's see. Virgo. So, Two of Swords and the Hermit. So basically they are in this kind of energy where they're closed off and they want to be alone. They want to seclude themselves. They don't want to talk to anybody. They don't want to share things with anybody because they're very hurt. And they're in two minds. They're very closed off. I don't see this as two minds. They're closed off. They're closed off to any connection, anything of any sort with you also, because now they want to be alone. Nobody should disturb them. They want to be in a peaceful environment with themselves. Let's see, why is the Six of Pentacles here? What do they want from you? Why is the Six of Pentacles here? What do they want from you? Person on your mind, Virgo. Five of Cups and the King of Wands. So they basically want to they feel that there is no action from your side. You don't take any action. You don't invest as much as you should. You are not that involved. Your words, your actions and words do not match. So they feel that there is a imbalance, and that is what is keeping them depressed. They want you to take some action. They want you to initiate more, and they want you to have a fresh, initiate a fresh beginning with them basically. But they don't see that happening. The energies are not balanced according to them. Okay, so why is the Eight of Cups here? Let's clarify the Eight of Cups. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups. Why is the Eight of Cups here? Let's clarify the Eight of Cups. What do they want from you, Virgo? They want to have justice in the situation. They feel that there is no justice, there is no equal give and take, there is no fairness. Everything is to one-sided efforts and everything, and they are exercising all the strength to keep it going all the time. Now they are done with it. They're trying to walk away because they feel that the energy is finished. It's done away with. It was long going. It was going on since long, and like a rubber, it was getting stretched. So now they feel that it's time to walk away. You have the Tower card. That's why. So that was your person on your mind. Let's see the new person. If any new person is coming towards you in 2025, what will be their feelings like? Let's see. Let's see, Virgo. Their feelings like for you. What will be their feelings like? The Hermit, the Five of Cups, and the Eight of Swords. Oh my God, what happened to this person? Is this person from your past? You don't have any new person probably. Let's see, we'll clarify. So this person is wanting to be alone, feels like being alone at this point of time to gain some clarity in the situation. At the same time, in the second part, they're very depressed, they're very heavily devastated, and in the third part, they're stuck. What is keeping them stuck? In their mind, in their thoughts, in their feelings, everything. They're stuck, they're hurt. So why is it so? Let's clarify this. We'll get to know if it is someone from your past. This is what they feel towards you. So definitely I think that this is someone from your past. You don't have any new person coming towards you, Virgo. It is again some past energy. It is not necessarily going to be the person that is on your mind. It can be some other energy as well. So person on your mind, I've already read their cards. So this is somebody else, hopefully. Let's see why is the Hermit card here. What do they want from you? What do they want from you? What do they want from you? So Lovers and the Fool. So basically they want to have a fresh new beginning with you in terms of love, but they're not sure. They're resting it out. They're taking their time because they're not sure if the risk is worth it, if you're the person, and if the love is going to happen between you two, if it is going to go well. They're not sure, so they're taking their time, they're analyzing the facts, they're doing all their research. Let's see why is the Five of Cups here. What do they want from you? Why is the Five of Cups here? What do they want from you? Let's see. Ace of Cups and the Seven of Cups. So basically they are depressed because they feel that you are not focused on them. You are too much focused on the options around you. You have a lot of options in love and you are focused on the options around you, very in and out energy. You come as when you want to and go when you want to. You come as you please. So that is what they don't like about you, and this is like draining them. Okay, this is draining them, this is keeping them depressed, this is bringing sadness into their life because you are keeping your options open and in and out of their life. Let's see what is. They feel that you should make a choice. You should make a choice to love them, to share your emotions with them, to give it a new start, and not just go around and see your option, keep looking at your options all the time, exploring your options all the time. They don't want that, right? Okay. Eight of Swords. Why is the Eight of Swords here? What do they want from you, Virgo? What do they want from you, Virgo? Let's see. What do they want from you, Virgo? King of Wands and the Justice. So they basically want you to take action. Again, this can be the past person. They want you to take the action towards them. They feel that only they are trying to make this work and you're just not focused on them. You're focused on the other options that you have. So they want a reciprocity in the situation. They want you to take action towards them and make it look like it is fair and you are also interested, because this is giving them trouble sleeping at night. They are not able to sleep, they are not able to think clearly, they are not able to be in the right state of mind, they are not able to sleep properly more than anything. So that is what you have, that is what I have for you, Virgo. Alright, so now we will see overall guidance for 2025. Okay, so what is the overall guidance for Virgo for 2025? Let's find out the overall guidance for Virgo for 2025. Overall guidance for Virgo for 2025. Let's see. Overall guidance for Virgo for 2025. You need to keep your energies in control. I mean, you need to keep your emotions under control. It shouldn't be too controlling of someone, but you have to control your emotions at times. You don't even have to appear as cold or detached, but control your emotions. At the same time, you shouldn't control anybody so much so that they feel like you are just dictating them. This shouldn't even happen. And you need to be a little logical in your behavior. I mean, not always very emotional, as well as you need to come out of that guilt trap or any mental conflicts that you're facing. So that was your reading, Virgo. I will see you soon in the next reading. I hope you enjoyed this reading, and let me know in the comments below. And I love you all. Thank you. Namaste.